Good morning, everyone. It's Terry, and I am going to mount this new plant that I got. Beautiful. I've already taken it out of the little plastic container that it was in. You know those. It was just in some sphagnum moss. It was easy to get out of there. And I'm just going to put the camera down, hopefully without incident, and get her done. So, I am really aligning it up with the newest growths going out from the mount, and I do like that mount. That side of the mount, it's more texture rather than smooth. So I'm just showing you the lead and showing you where I'm going to put it. So now I'm just going to get a zip tie and secure it to the mount. Being careful not to strangle any pseudobulbs or damage any roots going from the back towards the front. Or clipping it from the back, I should say. And I had to use the bathroom, so I'll be right back. So, okay, I'm back. Sorry for that. And now I'm just going to complete the process that I've already explained to you. Hopefully this time, much easier time of finding the holes. And it looks like it's going to be a little more successful this time. So, yes, it is very secure, and I don't think I need another zip tie. It is going to hang just like such. It is not flopping around. I'm going to write the date on the tag, and then we will be done. Give it a drink and let it marinate. April the 1st, Fool's Day. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your orchids. Bye.